I was sent out here.
So you're gonna sit here and harass someone that's not breaking the law?
Dismiss me because I don't work for you.
Then who do you work for?
UTA police.
And who pays them? How do they pay?
They're a private business. They pay what they want and how they want.
Yeah, oh wow, look at this guy. So it's not taxpayer funded, right?
No.
Oh, okay.
You have
Jesus
permission
Christ,
to take
dude.
pictures of the rails from UTA.
Okay, let me get
You
your
guys,
name.
Do you have permission to take pictures of the rails from UTA?
Hey, you guys want to call to the police department?
We are the police.
Let them know?
Let me get your name.
I'm not giving you my name.
Okay, listen, state law says if you don't provide me your name, then you go to...
Can I have to? And this officer don't want to give it off his name. I'm pretty sure it says on the policy that when you're asked, you give out your name.
I don't have to give you my name.
You don't have to? It doesn't say in your policy?
Nope.
Your policy doesn't say you got to identify when you... So what's your name?
Why should I give you mine if you're not going to give us yours?
Aren't you a public servant?
Aren't you a citizen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anytime you're stopped by a police officer, you're required to give us your name if we ask for
No,
it.
you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't.
You're taking this the wrong way here. Like we said, all we want to do is get your name, and then you're free to take off and go.
What is my name going to do?
Lets us know who was out here taking pictures of our infrastructure.
Live on Facebook. Of course it is.
Hey, I don't consent on staying if no crime has been committed.
What's that?
I don't consent on staying if any crime has not been committed.
I'm investigating. Okay?
What happens if I leave? Oh, you don't want to answer me? What happens if I leave?
You can't leave. You're being detained.
For what?
Besides, you're the one that wanted to talk to the supervisor.
Yeah, I want to talk to the supervisor. You guys aren't detaining me for no crime. Well, if you guys are not detaining me for no crime, I can leave, and I don't want to talk to them anymore. He's asking if I was on their property. Thank you, Josefina.
Sir, did you want to provide any information to us?
No, sir.
No? Okay, thank you.
Good to go?
Yeah, you can do whatever
Thank you.
want.
Learn the law, buddy.
Huh?
Learn the law.
Trust me.
Learn the
I
law.
know the law.
Thank you, guys. The supervisor just told me to leave if I had any questions for him, so I really appreciate you guys watching my bag. Check this guy out. What's up? Not really. I don't want to talk. I'm good. I don't want to talk. What?
We were told they were taking pictures of some stuff.
So?
Well, there's some stuff that are you can't be taking pictures of around
Like
here.
what?
The rail, stuff like that.
I can't be taking pictures of the rails?
It's national security stuff.
Really? What law is that? So you're gonna tell me I can't do something
You
without knowing the law?
Yeah. You can't be taking pictures of some stuff.
Says who?
Critical infrastructure.
Says who?
Says the government.
The Constitution says I could.
You can't just go around taking pictures of anything you want.
What's your name, sir?
Officer Mackey.
Can I see your tag, please? I need to record it.
Huh?
I need to record it.
I just showed you.
Oh, so So the judge asked for your name, you gotta go like this. I just showed you.
Yeah, I just showed you. I told you what it was.
Wow.
Do you have some ID with you real quick?
Why should I show you ID?
Come on, man. Let's not make this difficult.
Why am I making it difficult?
Because we were told that
I'm minding my own business.
Hold on.
I'm minding my own business, taking pictures.
Hold on. We got a call saying you were taking pictures
which is
of
constitutional protected. First Amendment protected, okay? So
that's not
what?
What's the first?
So you can't take pictures of the rails.
No.
Hang tight.
At the rails.
Can't take
You believe that?
pictures of the rails.
I can't take pictures of the rails?
No.
So
It's political infrastructure.
really?
You can't take pictures of the rails.
So I'm in public and I can't take pictures of something that in my
If you're
view.
in public, you can take
This is
pictures,
public.
but you can't take pictures of the rails.
So I can't take pictures of the rails going like that.
No. Not unless you have permission from UTA to do it.
You mean those rails right there that cross the street and everything like that?
Just like you're doing.
Those rails right there?
Yep.
Wow.
Not unless you have written permission from UTA. Even the news agencies get permission before they come out and film.
This is the UTA police.
Let's not make this difficult.
Well, you guys are making it difficult because I'm not breaking no law.
If we can get your name, we can probably get you out of here.
Well, I don't have to provide no name if I haven't broken any law.
Because we are called to you as taking pictures of things.
Somebody else heard what's going on. I'm a journalist and I'm taking pictures.
Okay. So do you have your ID?
I don't have to show it to you.
You do.
No, I don't.
Okay.
No, I
State
don't.
law states if a police officer asks for your
Are
identification.
you sure that's what Utah
then
laws say?
Yeah.
I'm positive.
Are you sure? Doesn't it say you have to have RAS?
Huh?
Don't you have to have RAS?
Harass?
RAS.
What are you talking about?
Particular, suspicious.
Yeah, somebody called
Okay.
me and said you were taking pictures of
And
things that
what's,
they were. And they
okay,
were worried.
what law am I breaking?
I just told you.
What law am I breaking?
We were told you were taking pictures of critical infrastructure.
Which is what?
Listen.
Which is what?
Okay.
Which is
listen
what?
to me.
No, you listen
The
to
rail.
me.
No, that's
Okay.
not how this goes. All right, I'm gonna record you if you're gonna record me. Make sure
Make sure you don't delete that though, because I'm gonna go and get a copy of it.
Okay.
Your phone will become public information. Okay,
Yep.
so
And
don't
so is all
delete it.
yours.
No, not mine. Unless
Yeah.
you have a warrant, you get my stuff.
I'll get a warrant.
Okay,
That's not
well,
hard.
So I want your supervisor here.
Okay, he's on his way.
Here.
Okay, where are you headed to from here? Not even gonna answer that.
Nope.
Why not?
That's my business, not
Okay.
yours. That's my business, not yours.
Why do you got to be difficult? What's the point of being difficult? If you tell me what you're using it for, then maybe we can get you out of here.
Why am I being detained?
Because you're taking pictures of critical infrastructure.
And what law is that I broke?
He was just talking to you about it.
He didn't mention no law.
It's Homeland Security.
Homeland Security.
So what about Homeland Security? I mean, what law have I broken? I heard about
Taking pictures.
Homeland Security, but what law have I broken? That's what I want to
For
know.
one, not providing your information.
I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
When
You
I
want me
haven't
to pull
broken
up-
any
You
law.
want me to pull up the state code?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
So
Read it right.
If I pull up the state code and show you what law you're breaking, are you going to provide your information?
If you prove to me that I'm breaking the law,
And you'll provide your information.
I'll provide my information.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay? They are being difficult. They don't want to give out their names, especially this officer here. He didn't even want to give me his address for his department.
Sir, did you want to provide any information to us?
No, sir.
No? Okay, thank you.
Good to go?
Yeah, you can do whatever
Thank you.
want. I'm not holding you.
Learn the law, buddy.
Huh?
Learn the law.
Trust me.
Learn the
I
law.
know the law.